unpatched ravioli, huh? Looks good. But, no thanks.
Not a problem. Not a problem. If you change your mind, you can always come back and try some of my hand-cut artisanal goat cheese ravioli. Thank you for coming to the farmer's market. Okay. Take care. Bye. Thanks. Move. I sound so formal. God. Take care. And my ravioli. I just need to calm down. It's a mouthful. I should just say Ravs. Oh my God, that's it. I should say Ravs. It's hip and fun and irreverent and shows that I'm cash but still love hawking my wares. This could be my thing. Everyone will love me because I'm the girl who says Ravs. Hey, would you want to try some of my Ravs? What? My ravioli! My Ravs! Because ravioli is kind of a big word. It's kind of a weird word when you say it out loud. So, I like saying Ravs. Yeah. But it's not a bad word, it's just an Italian word. Yeah. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay.
Oh, no, we're just browsing things.
Browse away, bye.
Okay.
Oh! Did you say a racist thing? There's a racist thing about the Italian word ravioli? Oh my God. Okay. I just want to pull this together. Let's focus on saying Ravs. Ravs. Oh, hey!
Hey.
How's our sales going?
Pretty great. People seem to be really into my unpasteurized juice.
Yep. Not selling too many units of my Ravs over here.
I mean, if you don't mind me saying, just have fun, you know? Just be yourself. That's what works for me.
Cool. 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 Thanks a bunch. But why did you say that to me?
I'm sorry, you just seem really ungrounded.
Really? What?
Listen, I say this with compassion, okay?
Oh.
You just seem really uncomfortable in your own skin. Just have fun, you know? Just be yourself.
He's right. I am uncomfortable. And I do hate myself. I'm just gonna be myself. I'm just gonna be myself. And I am the girl who says Ravs.
Oh, hi, how much are your...
Ravs? My great Ravs? Oh, you're gonna love that word too. Now yummy, yummy Ravs and my tummy yum.
Okay. I do love fresh pasta, so if any of these are...
Well, then you're in love, my new best friend, because I've got some sweet bullshit Ravs. You're gonna love them. They're yummy, yummy Ravs, and that's a normal thing to say, and I'm being totally authentic in my perfect, normal, authentic self about these delicious Ravs.
Sorry.
I love my Ravs, my yummy, yummy Ravs. I love my Ravs, yummy, yummy.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I couldn't help but overhear you say the word Ravs.
Yeah, it breathes. Kind of a thing.
I love it. I work over at the Oyster desk over there, and I was was thinking about calling them stirs.
Stirs?
Yeah, you know, like oysters.
That is the dumbest fucking thing I've ever heard. I hope you go out of business, you idiot!